Okay, so back to this fault. We were asking what type of fault is this? Well, if we look at what happened to the limestone and the Vishnu schist, we can see that it's a reverse fault. So this compartment has gone up with respect to that one here. The limestone and the Hyakutake shale have been uplifted in that direction. Then there was a phase of erosion that generated that new unconformity, which is the reason why the Hyakutake shale has disappeared here and why the limestone appears thinner here. There's been some erosion. But if you look in the detail, you will see that the beds, that the unconformity itself and the beds above the unconformity, they seem to have been lowered in that side with respect to this one. So there is a clear evidence here that that fault at some stage of its history has been reactivated as a normal fault, which is quite common when you've got areas experiencing different phases of deformation. You will end up with faults that have been used one way being reactivated the other way. So we have here clear evidence that this fault has moved in both directions, first before the formation of this unconformity and then after the formation of this unconformity. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for that cross-section. As you've seen, it's not a particularly difficult cross-section. It's just there are these little complexities that make it a bit more interesting. I hope you enjoyed it and you've understood it. Don't forget to finish the presentation, put a key, orientation, title, scale, put the location of a few places like the Zoroaster temple, the Buddha temple. You can put the Bright Angel Canyon just to locate yourself and to make sure that if someone comes and look at your section, they know they have your section, they have the map, they know where it comes from. And put a key. In the key, put some useful information, put the symbols so that people who compare your cross section to the map know where which unit correspond to what. Say what the rocks are made of, put the ages, and always youngest at the top left, oldest at the bottom right. And that's all for today. So thank you very much for your attention.